In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand name using Grok AI. A strong brand name sets the tone for everything your audience will remember about you. So let's make this simple and effective. Start by accessing Grok AI. You can go to the official Grok AI website in your browser or open it through the X app on your device. Once you're in, look for the chat interface. That's where you'll type your requests and interact with the assistant in real time. Before you ask for names, give Grok the right context. In the chat, describe your business or product clearly. Include your industry, your target audience, and the values you want your brand to reflect. For example, you might mention whether you're aiming for playful or professional, local or global, budget-friendly or premium. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions will fit. Now, ask Grok to generate brand names. You can type something like, create a brand name for this business, or generate unique brand name ideas for this product. Feel free to add guardrails, such as keep it under 2 words, or avoid hyphens if that matters to you. Grok will return several options, often with different styles and tones, so you can see what resonates. Quick note, if you prefer using an app or a browser, I've placed everything you need at the top of the description. You'll find the download link if it's an app and the official website link right there, so you can follow along easily. When the suggestions appear, review them with your brand vision in mind. Ask yourself whether the names feel memorable, easy to pronounce, and aligned with your audience. As you assess the list, keep an eye out for how the name might look in a logo, how it sounds when spoken aloud, and whether it could scale with your offerings over time. You can also make a short list and compare options side by side. If nothing is quite right yet, refine your prompt. Ask Grok to create shorter names, emphasize memorability, or add a creative twist, like alliteration or a modern tech-forward vibe. You can also request variations based on a favorite option, or ask it to avoid certain words. Iterating like this helps you narrow in on a name that feels distinct and on-brand. That's how you can quickly create a brand name using Grok AI. I hope this helped you move from idea to identity with confidence. Thanks for watching.